Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I want to do a little flip through of our brand new subscription. We have a paper pad subscription now, so you can pre-order it right now. I'm going to put my order probably on Friday or Monday, and then we'll have these shipped out by the end of March. So if you do join the club, you get 18% off. You'll see that during checkout. You have to choose monthly for your frequency. So there'll be a drop-down menu. Click on that and choose monthly. You'll get it shipped every 30 days. So if you purchase on the 2nd, you'll get your next pair on April 2nd. I also wanted to mention that Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, she's the one that designs the papers for me, and she is going to go live tonight, which is Wednesday at 7:30 Eastern Time. So if you're catching this video and it's close to 7:30, because I know I'm uploading this late, just pause my video and head on over to Teresa's channel to watch her live. If you do miss it, you can always watch the replay, but she's going to be crafting with this paper pad here. She doesn't have the physical paper yet, but she did print the designs out. But she's going to make a card so you can see how cute. So join her. We'll do a flip through of that. And also I do have some new stuff in the shop, so I wanted to share that really quick as well. But let's do a flip through really quick. So this one is Best Morning. These are the first two from the paper pad subscription that you will get. And they are absolutely adorable. So we've got this really cute teacup with polka dots, really cute patterns. We've got some coffee beans. We've got a little sweet treat, little coffee drink there that says coffee break. And this paper is very nice, high quality. As you can see, it's a little bit different from our normal paper pads. It's got the glue top here where you just rip off the sheets. There's no hole. It's a continuous sheet here. And then we have a hard cover on the back. So you got a sheet of macaroons, teapots, or actually those are coffee kettles. And then we've got the croissant and cookies. And then in this pad, there's a nice sheet. You get 4 of these sheets in here of cutouts. So you can run this through your brother scan and cut, or you can fussy cut them out, however you want to cut them out. But you can use those for focal points on your cards, and Teresa will be using that tonight. So we've got a solid, and Teresa designed it so there's a solid on the back. So you didn't have to worry about ruining another printed sheet. So if you were going to cut these out. But if you're not interested in using the cutouts, you can always use the other side. So some coffee beans, some yummy muffins, another little cute little coffee scene, some sentiments on there that say coffee time, best morning, and then we've got some nice brown shades with the coffee beans, and the patterns do repeat, so there's 4 of each design in here, and you get 24 double-sided designs. So the next one is Fresh Spring. So we've got some browns, pinks, greens, tans. So nice color palette there. You got a little cup with some tulip and tulip bulbs. Sorry, I had that sideways. And then we have a nice floral pattern, a geometric pattern here. This one geometric on the inside, and then you get your florals kind of like a frame. And then this one's got little bunnies and little birdhouses. That's really cute. So another one with the cup and the bulbs. And then this one's really pretty. It also has a little background scene of the birdhouses and bunnies, and it says hello spring. Really nice, cute little scene with birdhouses, little hearts, tulips. This one says love. We got some tulips on a brown background. There's that pattern again in a different color. And that one says, it's spring, it's springtime. And then you can use this as a little border on your card if you wanted to fussy cut that out or just trim it out. Even the top is really pretty. And then I think the patterns now start to repeat. So I think these are awesome. So I hope you guys join the subscription club for the paper pad club. So fun. And then we have some new stuff from LDRS. We've got a new Slimline die from LDRS. It's called Floral Scallops Slimline. And you get these flowers in the middle, you get a scallop with stitching. You also get another inside piece here, which is just a plain rectangle. And then you get this other one that's on the outside. There's stitching, but on this side there's no cut line. So I was wondering, what is that? So I turned it over and found out that this includes a larger outer die to cut slimline card bases. Simply align the flat edge of the die over the folded edge of your cardstock before die cutting. So I thought that was really cool. Sometimes I just don't like measuring out the slimline size to cut out. A lot of your dies are different sizes, so you kind of always have to measure out how big you're going to make your card base. So I thought that was really neat. These are floral toner topper sheets. So if you like to foil, these are really cool. You can foil on top of these. They're just black and white. You can always use these without foil as well. But I wanted to show you this. So it's just black and white, different designs, and you can make them foiled, which is really, really fun. So you get some different designs in here. Very neat. And I think those are scraps. And the 6x6 is the same designs, just a different size. And we've got a new sentiment stack set for Easter. And then the sentiment stack dies, so this is an older one, and then they came out with number 2. So they work with all of their stack sentiments. So if you already have this in your stash, you don't need to pick it up. You'll just need to pick up the new sentiment stack. So this one says, hope your Easter is extra special. Easter wishes, happy Easter, hippity hoppity. Some bunny loves you, there's no bunny like you. Sending Easter smiles. Every bunny loves Easter. Bunny kisses and Easter hello spring, and hopping by to wish you a happy Easter. We've got some Pocket Pal items. So this one is called Live Garden Pocket Pals, and they're very tiny and cute. And this one's got a little garden scene. Look at how cute the little die is. And Helen from Crafty Mama Diaries is going to be working with the set for her DT projects in April. Isn't that cute? So that's the greenhouse that goes with that. And then there's a little, tiny little fence. So that's what I have from LDRS. From Colorado Craft Company, we've got some new stamps here. This tiny one here is Sleeping Mouse. There's a little picture in the back if you can see that. But it's really cute. It goes with some of these other larger stamps, so you can kind of mix and match them to make a scene. And then this one here is called This is the Life. Here's one of the images colored up. That's this little snail hanging upside down. We've got some grass, a mushroom, a mouse, a little ladybug, and the snail. And sentiments, wishing you relaxing days ahead. I see you. Snail mail is the best mail, and this is the life. And hello there. And then I do have the die for that. And some more mouse theme items. We've got this really cute little house. It's called Mouse House. I think it's adorable. So they look like gourds. Really, really cute. They got windows and doors on them. There's some mice in here. Really cute. We've got the sentiments, home, sweet home. Come for a visit real soon. I miss our get-togethers. I hope your day is fantastic in every way. And then the die, it does cut out the inside portion of the windows, which is really nice. And also it does cut out the inside portion from the tails. And then we've got another little house. This is for your gnomes. So this is called Gnome House or Gnome Home. There's a little picture there. And then we've got some gnomes and a little mouse with a little gnome hat on. That's really cute. And a little basket. You're a friend like gnome other, gnome sweet gnome, and come for a visit. So I do have the die for this, but it is on its way. So if you do order it, it'll just be a few days until I get to ship that one out. Same with this one. The dies are coming for these. So we've got this cute one. This is a larger set. I believe it's a 6x6. And these cute little characters. Look at the teacups. They're like in shapes of flowers. Just wanted to say you're amazing. Just a little hi from me and just because. Look at those guys. They're so cute. And then we've got this really pretty one. It's called Best Friends Forever. So very nice arrangement. You can see it all colored up here. Love is all around. You're my person. Sending you all my love. Friendship makes life more beautiful. Best friends forever. And this one is called Happy Peony. And there it is colored. So pretty. And there's a butterfly and the sentiments. Happy anniversary, happy birthday, happy life, or happy Easter. So very pretty. I also have a ton of new sequins in the shop. New confetti sequins, so check that out. They're really, really cute. So I will see you guys real soon. Don't forget to check out Teresa's live video. I will be there in the chats. If you have any questions, I'll be helping Teresa out. So thanks guys, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye-bye.